Hey guys, so me and Fuyo, we just got done with everything. So we're about to pull his car out and then get our mom's car in, and then we'll go take this thing for a test drive.
Alright guys, y'all ready to hear the quiet Celica again?
This feels very weird. What the?
Still shaking. Yeah, I should let it warm up.
I don't know, what the heck is that shake? It's pretty bad. Do you remember having this shake back when it had the exhaust?
Uh-uh.
I wonder if it could be one, This has me a little worried. Probably
Yeah.
exhaust related.
Huh?
Probably hanger related. It's even making my phone shake.
Really?
You know.
Fix this, say, the misfire can cause it to vibrate.
I guess we need to check see if there's any other codes besides the EGR crap. No, the EVAP.
Yeah.
Oh jeez, this is weird, guys.
Alright, let's go ahead and see what fix says.
Perfectly fine when the car is just idle, sitting still.
Mm-hmm. Just still showing the misfire.
The misfire and the EVAP.
Yeah.
Saying cylinder 4 still?
Uh-huh. I gapped it, right? And
Did everything correct.
it's not vibrating when we're stopped.
This is weird.
Uh-huh.
Well, let's first get mom's car in and let's go take it around the block and whatnot and see how it goes.
Alright. You want to stay in here?
Yeah, I'll stay. So my brother just said there's a stutter in the exhaust that we've known about. Let's see how it goes on test drive.
Replace or clean the fuel injector for cylinder 4 to fix the fuel misfire. That's a 65% success rate. And then the last one, which is the next one of the other things I wanted to do, was inspect and repair the EVAP system for leaks to fix the emission control system malfunction.
So we need to find a place that can clean fuel injectors.
Alright, let's go for a test drive, guys.
Let's see how this goes.
It's so quiet now. See if the
The vibrating is gone, it seems like.
yeah. Maybe it needed to warm up.
Yeah, hold on. Just keep an eye on it when you take the work tomorrow.
Yeah. Let's see. It's still vibrating. You feel it?
Yeah.
You hear it.
No, I think that's the daggum exhaust
License
tip.
plate. No,
Yeah.
that's not the muffler.
And
No, not the exhaust tip.
It's more like probably your plate than that it sounded like. Because I know you have that. Because I know it's not screwed in all four. Because it doesn't have the provision for 4 holes.
Yeah.
Seems perfectly fine right now. May just need to get fuel injectors cleaned out.
Yeah. Hopefully I can do that after I work.
Well, I know we can get.
UPS.
Well, I know we can buy a fuel injector cleaner and pull the fuel injectors and spray fuel injector cleaner through them, and then hit them with the air hose to get it all out.
Yeah.
Without having to spend stupid amount of money on taking it to a professional to get it done. I know they I think sell fuel injector cleaner at all the parts stores and whatnot.
I'm gonna get on it a bit.
Everything seems perfectly fine right now.
Check engine light doesn't flash like it used to when I floor it. And don't worry guys, I didn't go over the speed limit, I went 40. Well yeah. Just get the other stuff fixed up and hopefully this thing will be back to good running shape.
Evap and pump and get the fuel injectors cleaned possibly. Or clean them ourselves, whichever. Perfectly fine right now. Which is nice.
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice.
That's something I can tell you that.
Yeah.
Which that'll be sometime whenever. So then get
I
that
wish I got
installed.
the contact info from that guy that was at the car meet that works at Oil Chase Toyota. Remember the mechanic dude?
Yeah,
Big tall dude?
yeah.
I might just go with the Oil Chase Toyota one day and see if he's up there.
Everything's perfectly fine, guys.
Yes, sir. Running smooth.
Yeah, probably that vibration just needed to warm up, I guess.
Yeah.
That's something I can think of.
Gotta let older cars warm up before you drive them.
Yep, indeed. Otherwise, this has been a perfectly long, successful video.
Yes, sir.
I'm just worried how long it's going to be. It's going to be long. And knowing how much storage it's taking up on my phone. Which is wild.
Alrighty, guys.
Yep, we got home, so yeah, that went successful. Just I guess we had just warm it up a little bit. That's good. And then we just only have to do evap system, and we'll have everything done.
Yes, sir. It'll be all good in running order.
Yeah, and just get fuel injectors
Yep.
cleaned possibly.
I think I'll do that too, just to be safe.
Yeah.
Go ahead and clean all 4, you think?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah. Alrighty guys, I thank you guys for watching. Big shout out to Yoji the Car Guy. This is his channel. But yeah, I mean, he helped me out a lot. Love him. He's my best little bro in the whole wide world. And this is us signing out. Appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll let Yoji take care of the rest.
Yes. I'm about to end it, guys.